The Lord is my shepherd, no one shall I know. I feed in green pastures, safe folded I rest. He leadeth my soul where the still waters flow, restores me when wandering, redeems when oppressed, restores me when wandering, redeems when oppressed. Through the valley and shadow of death though I stray, since thou art my guardian, no evil I fear. Thy rod shall defend me, thy staff be my stay. No harm can befall with my comforter near. No harm can befall with my comforter near. In the midst of affliction, my table is spread with blessings unmeasured. My cup runneth o'er. With perfume and oil thou anointest my head. Oh, what shall I ask of thy providence more? Oh, what shall I ask of thy providence more? Let goodness and mercy, my bountiful God, still follow my steps till I meet thee above. I seek by the path which my forefathers trod, through the land of their sojourn, thy kingdom of love. Through the land of their sojourn, thy kingdom of love.